absolutely spectacular. What's your favourite tipple?
Beautiful. He keeps chasing after her. Abby! Abby!
Oh, Abby, you are so good. Josh, you are there, look.
Abby! Abby!
Good girl.
So this is Chili going through the tunnel. Good boy. Oh, thinking about it. Maybe. What's in there? There he goes. Over the jump. No, not today. Little one. See the little legs go through the tunnel? Through the tunnel. Wow. Good girl. And husbandry skills with the vet clinic. And you see her little legs go through here, through the tunnel. And tunnel again. Wow. And over the jump, over the jump. What a superstar. Let's try the weaves. Oh, what? And being a social butterfly. I'm sure you threw food there. I think you did as well. You see his carton collar on. There he goes. And he's through the tunnel. Got a lot to say. Over the jump. Good boy. Over the jump. Way. Good lad. I'm going to have a crack at the wave pose. In, out, shake it all about. What a good boy. Let's get them set up for the tunnel. Over the jump, good boy. Over the jump, good lad. Well done. We'll have Aqua. She's got food in it as well. Good. You're looking at the crowd, saying hi everyone. Over the jump through the tunnel. Good. And no, the waves. Oh wow! Good boy. Qualification in Australia, an agility champion. She's also won at national events all over East, and so Kenzie's went. She's actually won in her class. She's gone through the tunnel, over the jump. Whoa! Over the jump. Over the jump. Look at the speed of this. Wow! Through the tunnel. See the little legs go. Let's see her do the waves. Wow! 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 Over the jump. Over the jump. Through the tunnel. And chase your toy. Good girl. It's a big reward at the end. This word is Disco. Her name is Disco Diva. So remember, this dog is 12.5-year-old. Wow. Rachel pulling her in, just rewarding her. Getting up, can you? So you see her getting set for the tunnel, giving her a disco release. Over the jump, over the jump, over the jump, over the jump. I can't keep up. Through the tunnel. Can't keep up. Through the weave. And at the end, she loves it. She's going to do these weave pulls again. Will she get them? Will she get them? Will she get them? Wow! Good girl. Well done, Disco Diva. She loves to run and play with her best friend Jag at the beach, and her release word is Bic. So you see the speed here going around here into these weave pulls. Wow, 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 wow. I think she cheated and missed the last one there. Cheater, cheater. Let's get these ones this time. Good girl. You see how happy she is on here? Wow, look at that. Amazing. So Frank's also got a tug toy in his hands. So she's getting ready, setting up. And big release through the tunnel, over the jump. See Frank how fast he has to run to keep up with her. Over the jump, through the tunnel. Wow! And through the weave, whoa! The beach, walks in the hills, and basically anywhere there is water. So you see over the jump, sends them to the back side of the jump there. That's a bit technical move. Over the jump, through the tunnel, and this end, moving up. Through the tunnel. Yay, good lad. So guys, all breeds can do agility. So we'll have plenty more agility breeds that actually do an agility. Or dog breeds. Gonna get them. Boy, did you say hello to the crowd? You said hi, how are you? Like your hat. Go tunnel. Wow! Big reward. Over. Tunnel over the jump. Good boy. Over the jump. Good boy. And back through the weave pole.